this is Opinion Radar, and today I'm super excited to chat about the Pretty Me Friendship Bracelet Making Kit. If you're looking for a fun, creative activity that brings people together, this kit is absolutely perfect. It's designed to help you and your friends or family make beautiful, personalized bracelets right at home. Whether you're planning a cute date night, a birthday party, or just want to spend some quality time crafting, this kit has you covered. What I love most is how it encourages teamwork and lets everyone express their unique style. It's a wonderful way to create lasting memories and give thoughtful, handmade gifts. In my review, I'll dive into why this kit stands out and share some of my favorite experiences using it. Let's get started. Okay, so I just got the Pretty Me Friendship Bracelet Making Kit, and I am absolutely obsessed. When I opened it, I was greeted with all these colorful threads, shiny clasps, and elastic bands. It felt like a treasure chest of creativity. The packaging is super cute too, all pastel colors and fun fonts, which makes it feel like a special treat. I gave this to my little cousin for her birthday, and her face lit up the moment she saw it. It's perfect because everything you need is right there. No running around trying to find extra supplies. The variety of colors and shapes in the kit is amazing, and I love how the threads feel super smooth and the clasps add a nice sparkle. It's definitely a kit that makes you feel like a crafty pro right from the get-go. One of the best things about this bracelet kit is how easy it is to turn into a super fun activity. Last weekend, I had a sleepover with my best friends, and we spent the whole evening making bracelets. It was such a great way to bond and get away from our phones and screens for once. We took turns picking colors and designing patterns, and everyone left with a bunch of bracelets to give to their crushes or besties at school. It's also perfect for those rainy days when you're stuck inside. Just grab the kit, and you've got an instant project that keeps you busy for hours. I even tried using it in a kids' craft club at my local library, and the girls went wild making designs for each other. It's a fantastic way to encourage creativity and teamwork without any stress. Honestly, there are so many things I love about this kit. The quality of the materials is really impressive. You can tell they're made to last. The threads don't fray, and the clasp stays secure even after a few days of wear. Plus, you get enough supplies to make like a million bracelets, which is awesome because you can make different styles for everyone. But I will say, the instructions could use a little help. The first time I tried, I was a bit confused about how to loop the elastic, so I had to YouTube a quick tutorial. Once I got the hang of it though, it was smooth sailing. Another tiny hiccup was that the glue bottle in my kit was almost dried out, so I had to use hot glue instead. And if you run out of elastics or want extra heart fasteners, finding replacements can be a bit of a hunt. But hey, that just means you might have to get another kit, which I totally don't mind. I remember the first time I sat down with my sister to try this out. We were both total beginners, but we decided to make matching bracelets. At first, it was a little messy. My sister kept tangling the threads, but once we figured out a system, it became so fun. We made a rule that we had to talk through every step, which turned into a hilarious moment when we tried to copy a TikTok trend and ended up with rainbow swirls instead of neat lines. By the end, we had created these super unique bracelets that look like we'd taken a craft class. It's moments like these that make the kit worth it because it turns a simple activity into a memory-making experience. Plus, my sister ended up giving hers to her soccer teammate, and they're still wearing them as team colors months later. What I really appreciate about this kit is how it sparks creativity. I've experimented with so many different designs, from tiny hearts and stars to full-on custom-made bracelets, and each one turns out so cool. The elongated elastic bands are a game changer because they let you make bracelets that are stretchy and comfortable, perfect for school or parties. I even used some of the extra threads to add little embroidery details, which made my bracelets look extra special. It's also become my go-to gift for birthdays and holidays. I've made bracelets for my dance squad, my debate team, and even my math club buddies. Seeing everyone's faces light up when they get a personalized bracelet makes all the time spent crafting totally worth it. The kit really encourages you to think outside the box and come up with your own styles. if you're looking for the perfect gift for a kid or treat yourself. This bracelet kit is a total win. It's fun, educational, and gives kids a sense of accomplishment when they finish a project. The price is super reasonable too. You get so much stuff for just $14, and it's going to keep them occupied for ages. I've already recommended it to all my friends with younger sisters and brothers, and everyone's bought it. My only wish is that the company would sell extra packs of elastics and clasps because I know my niece is already running low. But overall, I'm beyond happy with this kit. It's more than just a craft. It's a way to create friendships, remember special moments, and spend quality time together. Trust me, whether it's for a birthday, a sleepover, or just a rainy afternoon, the Pretty Me Friendship Bracelet Making Kit is going to be a hit. Hey girls, if you're into making friendship bracelets and creating lasting bonds, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Let's string together some more awesome craft ideas. Drop a comment with your favorite design so we can all craft up more memories together. Ready? Set. Create your next masterpiece with us.